Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A21s versus the Oppo A52. And the Oppo A52 is powered by Snapdragon 665 chipset with 4GB of RAM with a 128GB of internal storage, while the Samsung Galaxy A21s comes with a new Samsung Exynos 850 chipset which is based on 8nm architecture, and also we have a 4GB of RAM with a 64GB of internal storage on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and both phones comes with a quad cameras on the back as you can see. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Low camera first, little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, followed by the Oppo A52. And both phones is running on Android 10. We have a Samsung One UI 2.1 update on the Samsung Galaxy A21s versus a Color OS version 7 on the Oppo A52. Let's see who is faster there, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A21 it is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Oppo A52 now it is also done, about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. And Oppo A52 comes with a Full HD IPS LCD display with the punch hole display on the left hand side, and you can see, while the Samsung Galaxy A21s comes with a 720p TFT display, and also we have a punch hole display on the left hand side, and you can see. So now let's see the app's opening speed. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. That is a little bit faster on the Oppo A52, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A21s. For the settings on both phones, we go. Again, a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Now let's check out the calendar on both these two devices. Little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s this time. The My Files on both phones, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. Again, Oppo A52 it is just a tiny bit faster there. Amazon Shopping and faster on the Oppo A52, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And display quality it is much better on the Oppo A52, and the colors as well as the viewing angle much better on the Oppo A52. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see about the same on both phones. Feels very smooth on both phones. Now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. And faster on the Oppo A52, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Now let's see Instagram. Little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Now let's check out the Spotify on both phones. And little bit faster on the Oppo A52 again. Now let's check out the Snapchat on both phones. Little bit faster on the A21s this time. The Subway Surfer on both phones, and let's see who is faster there this time. And you can see Oppo A52 it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and you can see, and A21s now it is also done. Huge difference there between these two devices. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. And again, Oppo A52 it is just a tiny bit faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A21s now it is also done, about 1 or 2 second difference there between the A52 and the A21s. The Twitter and faster on the A21s. The Zedge on both phones launching at the same time, and faster on the Oppo A52, and you can see. And now the A21s now it is also done, about 2 or 3 second difference there. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go. Little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, followed by the Oppo A52. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I'm using default Samsung internet browser on the A21s versus a Google Chrome on the Oppo A52. We have wikipedia.org. Little bit faster on the Oppo A52 followed by the A21s, and the scrolling it is also feels really smooth on both phones. Apple.com and faster on the Oppo A52 followed by the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let's see the scrolling, and case it feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Let's see the RAM management on both phones. Both phones give you a 4GB of RAM. Let's see who is perform better in the RAM management. Phone dialer, refresh on the Oppo A52. Settings, refresh on the A21s this time. Let's see the calendar, refresh on the A52. My Files, refresh on the A52. Amazon Shopping, that got refresh on both phones. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, refresh. Let's see Instagram, let's see Spotify, let's see Snapchat, that is only refresh on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let's see Subway Surfer, let's see the Temper Run 2, refresh only on the A52 this time. Let's see the Twitter, refresh on the A21s. Zedge, and seems like refresh on the Oppo A52. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see, and guys, you can see that overall I have to say that the app's opening speed it is definitely a little bit faster on the Oppo A52 and some are faster on the A21s. Not a huge difference when it comes of the performance wise between these two devices. And RAM management is little bit better on the Samsung Galaxy A21s because we have a Samsung optimization on this phone, while the Oppo A52 it is not perform good in the RAM management. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo A52 versus the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.